Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? I hope all of you are doing great. I'm also great by the grace of Almighty Allah. Okay, so I'm at Rangpur Zoo, Suriyakhana, as you can see, and it's a nice umbrella like tree. I see. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn about tense. What is tense? Do you know? Tense. Tense mainly there are three kinds of tense. First of all, present tense. After that, past tense, and then future tense. Do you know present tense? এই যে প্রেজেন্ট টেন্স মানে হচ্ছে আমি এখন ভিডিও ক্রিয়েট করতেছি, এটাই হচ্ছে প্রেজেন্ট টেন্স। নাও আই এম মেকিং ভিডিও, নাও আই মেক ভিডিও, ইটস আ প্রেজেন্ট। দা I observed my video yesterday. Okay, guys, it's called past indefinite tense. That means past tense. And future tense. Tomorrow I will go to. Tomorrow I will go to Dinaspur Kantosir Mandir. আগামীকালকে যাব. That is called future tense. In this video, we have learned about tense. Do not make it more longer. Thanks for watching.